All right, and now we're going to talk about having our strawberries for our pizza. It's a simple process to do. Just going to take a strawberry and you're going to cut it right in half. That's all you got to do. Take these two pieces and we're going to measure out. We're going to need 2 cups of fresh halves. So just go ahead and throw these straight into the cup. And we're not going to quarter these. So when we put them on the pizza, they're just going to lay flat. And all we're going to see is the tops of the strawberries. So now we got a half a cup there. Just try and keep on cutting until we have 2 full. Looks like this is going to do it. We've got our 2 full cups of strawberries. We're just going to put these to the side until we need them. A couple extra and 1 to eat.